What happens to your body when you drink a cup of dandelion tea every day? This common plant, often considered a weed, is packed with surprising health benefits that may just make you rethink your opinion of it. Dandelion tea is easy to find and make, and it's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Whether you're sipping a brew made from the leaves or roasted roots, dandelion tea can offer various benefits for your body. But before you start brewing, just be sure that the plants haven't been treated with any chemicals. Now, let's take a look at what happens when dandelion tea becomes part of your daily routine. It reduces water weight. We've all had those days when we feel a little bloated, and dandelion tea might just be the quick fix you need. One of the key benefits of dandelion tea is its natural ability to reduce water weight. It works as a diuretic, which means it helps your body get rid of excess water by increasing urine output. In fact, studies have shown that after drinking just 2 cups of dandelion tea made from the plant's leaves, urine output significantly increases. So, if you're feeling puffy or bloated, a cup of this tea could help flush out that extra water. But it's not just about feeling less bloated. Getting rid of excess water can also help your body balance its fluids, making you feel lighter and more comfortable. This makes dandelion tea a popular choice for people who want a natural remedy to shed some water weight. Whether it's after a salty meal or just because your body is holding on to too much water, dandelion tea offers a simple and natural way to relieve that bloated feeling and keep things moving smoothly. It could promote liver health. Dandelion root has been used for ages as a natural remedy for liver health, and it's not just a folk medicine tale. Many believe that dandelion root tea acts as a liver tonic due to its ability to boost bile flow, which helps the liver do its job more efficiently. Naturopaths often recommend dandelion tea as a way to support detoxification, potentially helping with skin and eye issues, which are sometimes linked to poor liver function. In fact, people have used it to alleviate symptoms of liver disease, though more research is needed to confirm these effects. A study from 2017 supports the idea that dandelion root's polysaccharides could offer real benefits to liver function. These natural compounds may protect the liver from damage and help it recover, making it a promising herbal aid for liver health. While dandelion tea alone isn't a cure-all, drinking it regularly could be a simple way to support your liver, which plays a critical role in keeping your body balanced and healthy. For those looking to support liver function naturally, dandelion tea might just be worth adding to the routine. It can act as a natural coffee substitute. If you're looking to cut back on coffee but still crave that warm, rich flavor, dandelion root tea might be the perfect substitute. You can often find pre-prepared roasted dandelion root at health food stores, but if you're feeling adventurous, you can also make it at home from dandelions in your yard. Just make sure they're free of pesticides. The roots of young dandelion plants are roasted to a dark brown color, giving them a robust, coffee-like taste when brewed. What's great about dandelion tea as a coffee substitute is that it offers a similar experience without the caffeine. For those trying to reduce their caffeine intake, but still enjoy that familiar morning ritual, dandelion root tea is a flavorful alternative. It's easy to make, too. Just roast the roots, steep them in hot water, and strain. The result is a warm, earthy beverage that can satisfy your craving for coffee without any jitters or caffeine crashes. Plus, you get the added benefits of dandelion's nutrients while enjoying a comforting drink. Similarities between dandelion and a weight loss drug? Dandelion might be more powerful than you think when it comes to supporting weight loss. A recent study from Korea found that dandelion could have effects similar to orlistat, a common weight loss drug. Orlistat works by blocking pancreatic lipase, an enzyme that helps break down fat during digestion. The interesting part? Dandelion extract seems to do something similar, according to tests on mice. This led researchers to suggest that dandelion might have potential as a natural aid for weight management. While this is still early research, the findings are promising. If dandelion can help reduce the breakdown of fats in the body, it might be a helpful addition to a healthy diet and exercise routine for those looking to manage their weight. Of course, more studies are needed to see how this works in humans, but it's exciting to think that a simple cup of dandelion tea could offer some of the same benefits as a weight loss drug. It's always best to take a balanced approach to weight loss, and dandelion tea could be a natural, gentle way to support those efforts. Dandelion tea may soothe digestive ailments. Dandelion tea has been used for years as a natural remedy for digestive issues, and while much of the evidence is anecdotal, many people swear by its benefits. If your stomach feels unsettled, or you're dealing with minor digestive discomfort, a cup of dandelion root tea might help soothe things. It's been traditionally used to improve appetite and support digestion, making it a go-to for those looking for natural relief. One of the most well-known effects of dandelion tea is its ability to ease constipation. The tea acts as a mild laxative, helping to keep things moving in your digestive system. While it's not a cure-all, drinking dandelion tea regularly could provide gentle support for digestion and keep your stomach feeling more balanced. Whether you're dealing with minor bloating or just want to give your digestive system a little boost, dandelion tea could be a simple, natural solution worth trying. It could have future anti-cancer applications. Dandelion root has recently caught the attention of researchers for its potential to fight cancer, and the results so far are pretty promising. A 2011 study from Canada showed that dandelion root extract could induce cell death in melanoma cells without harming healthy, non-cancerous cells. Another study found similar effects on pancreatic cancer cells, making dandelion root a natural option worth exploring further. While it's important to note that these studies haven't specifically tested dandelion tea for its anti-cancer effects, the potential is exciting. Researchers believe that the compounds found in dandelion root may have unique properties that could be useful in future cancer treatments. Although more studies are needed to fully understand how it works, the early research is a positive step in the right direction. If dandelion root continues to show these effects in human trials, it could one day be part of natural cancer therapies. For now, it's another reason to enjoy a cup of dandelion tea and appreciate its many potential health benefits. It may help prevent urinary tract infections. Dandelion tea might offer some support when it comes to preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. When combined with another herb called UVA-URSI, dandelion roots and leaves may help reduce the risk of developing a UTI. UVA-URSI contains powerful antibacterial compounds that fight off harmful bacteria, while dandelion's diuretic properties help increase urination. This combination can help flush out bacteria from the urinary system before it has the chance to cause an infection. Although dandelion tea alone isn't a cure or treatment for UTIs, it may be a useful addition to your routine to help support urinary health. By increasing urine output and working alongside the antibacterial effects of UVA-URSI, it may help reduce the chances of a UTI. For those looking to boost their natural defenses, sipping on dandelion tea could be a helpful and refreshing option. That's just a taste of what dandelion tea can do for your body. If you're ready to explore more natural health tips, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Earthluxe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest wellness insights. Let's keep discovering the power of nature together.